Coherent water obviously raises NAD levels more than significantly, but what are the implications of that to human body?
So NAD has really gotten a lot of rep in the last couple of years. So NAD plus is a coenzyme that exists in every living cell. And implications of high levels of NAD are tremendous for human body. It's actually a cellular fountain of youth. So high levels of NAD not only are connected not only to longer lifespan, it's deeply connected to longer health span. So we're not talking just about increased cellular energy. What NAD does, it activates sirtuins, which are enzymes that actually repair damaged DNA. This is like inner repair system. So everything in your body works better if you have high NAD levels. But it doesn't stop there. We're talking about better metabolic health. We're talking about better cognitive health. We're talking about better immune health. So that's why it's NAD, where people are talking about NAD levels in health and wellness community, because it has such an overarching effect on every single system inside of our body. So, and also one interesting thing is, as we age, NAD levels drop very, very significantly. So for instance, when you're 40, you have 50% less NAD than when you were 20. So keeping those levels high is essential for health and wellness.